Hey there! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the OtterBox Symmetry Series Flex Case for Galaxy Z Fold4. Okay, once you've removed the inner packaging, you might notice a little bit of a bend to the plastic. That's perfectly normal. That's going to help keep the device fully closed when it's in the closed position. If you notice that the pieces have been separated during shipping or assembly, no problem. Just thread the hinge back between the two pieces of plastic, sliding it back and forth a few times to make sure it's firmly seated, and you're good to go. There are a few pieces of adhesive here. This will help the case attach to your device. First, remove the film. Grab the small tabs to pull the film off of the case. There's one here in the middle of the case, one on the interior, two on the top, and two on the bottom. A quick tip is to use a pair of tweezers to grab the tabs to peel off the film. Once those films are removed, lay the case flat on the table. Now take your device, making sure the camera openings and buttons are aligned. Firmly seat the top of the device into the case and press all the way around to snap it into place. Then, to make sure your device is securely attached to the adhesive, firmly press each side. Do the same thing from top to bottom and along the back, pressing firmly to make sure the device is firmly seated in the case. And now, you're good to go.